I moved too fast. I've got to do it slowly so you can get a good view. And the reason why I moved so quick is because of the heaps and heaps of weight, and therefore makes my body immune to moving with, let's say, a great haste. Stay gentle. It's gonna rain soon. Alright, look at all the fucking. Oh, you'd say all that. Damn. And look at that. And that's all you need. And you can build perfectly good. So yeah. Woo. Yeah, something up there. Oh, them other bin chickens. I'm taking. Yeah, look. They would cool my day. See, look. I'm trying to explain. See how Kitty's got a little baby nose? And this is the latest one out of her. Yeah, if you have a good look, you can see the shape of it. Eh? Now come inside. See how that's the tip? I'll cut ya. And she's got it too. Hello, Kumo Day, that's her name. I'll find her dad. And that there is your dad. That's why she's got a long snout. And she's still got the little tippy like cutie here. And that is no one, but he lost his wife. Now he's actually getting out mine, see? Beautiful. And this is Styles. He's got a slick back hairdo. And he's out of White Girl. And the Hercules. Little birds. Hey, it's Cameron shy. They're all Cameron shy. This Chopper's actually Sheila. And Kingy there, he's Brit. But he also, get out in your face. This is Snappy with the Advent tumbler. Yeah, it's righty-o. Hasta la vista, baby.